So here's how to earn from Temu affiliate program. But before we start, you can go ahead and click on my link down in the description in order to get a $100 coupon bundle for new users. So first of all, once you get into my link in Temu, you'll be here on this website. You can click on Get the App on the top right to download the Temu app. Now, from here, scroll down to the bottom of this page and then under the company info, open up the affiliate and influencer section. After that, you'll be redirected to this page over here. On the left panel, you will get to see all of these sections for the affiliate and influencer program. And over here, you can see Earn Commission. Click on Details in order to get more information. Apart from that, you will also get an 18 RM bonus for each person downloading the app from your referral. So click on Details in order to learn more. For existing app users, you will also get a 3% bonus. You can click on Get RM10 now, and then on the right side, you will be able to see all your available balance over here. Now, let's go over to the influencer section on the left panel. Here, you will get to see all the benefits that you will receive. You also have hot items on the left panel. This is where you can see all the trending items on Temu. So, you can go through them and share their links to your followers in order to get your bonus. And as you can see, if you scroll down, there are a lot of products. Let's open one as an example. Here, you can see all the details about your product. You can also share the images on Pinterest in order to do publicity. So here on the Temu website, you will get to see all of these products, and also, if you go over to the top, you can see different categories listed over here. You can scroll through and select any of these, and you will get to view all the relevant products. So this way, go through these categories and check out the different trending products. So from the items listed here, let's go ahead and check this one out. And as you can see under each product, you can see the price of the product as well as the max commission that you will get. Now, click on it and open it up. So once you're here on this page, you will get to see all the details about this particular product. You can also check out all the images on the left. Now, let's go ahead and copy the description of this product. I will go with only this part. Then copy it and go over to Pinterest. Here, go over to the search bar and paste your copied text. Then search for it. After that, you will get to see all the results available. Here, you can see different images for this keyword. So, for the ones that you like, click on Visit Site over here. Then, you will be redirected to the main website for this product. Now, just give it some time to load up. And as you can see, this product is listed on Amazon. Now, let's go back and check out the Pinterest results once again. Here, check out products that look similar to yours. For example, this one looks pretty close. So now, let's go over to the Temu webpage again. And once you're here, go through the images of your product. You can go through the images from here, or you can scroll down to the bottom. And as you can see, under the product details section, you can see additional images of the product in high quality. So now, right-click on an image that you like and save it on your computer. After that, the image will be downloaded. Now, let's go over to the Pinterest website. From here, on the left panel, you will get to see this create icon over here. Click on it, and then you can drag and drop the image that you just downloaded. Or you can also choose from your computer files. So after dragging it from the download section, as you can see, the image has been added. Now, you need to go ahead and put in its information. For that, let's go back to the Temu page. From here, you need to copy the details, then paste it onto Pinterest. So, let's start off by copying the relevant information from the title. Make sure that it's not the entire title since the Temu titles are way too big. Now, you can paste the description as well, but this text is too short for the description. You need to put in some more information over here. For that, you can go over to the Temu website and copy more info to add to your description. I will select the rest of the text from the title, but you can also add details from the product details section. Then just go over to Pinterest and paste it on the description. Now, you can add some additional information if you want. For example, if you have certain discounts or the material of the product. This way, add all the relevant details of your product in order to let your potential customers know more about it. After that, you can go ahead and move on to the link section. You can add your Temu affiliate link over here. So now, let's go back to the Temu page and then click on Share over here. So go ahead and click the Share option. After that, you will get to see your product link as well as some description about the product. Your customers will receive 74% off. So you can click on Copy over here. Or you can also select the item link from here, then copy it manually. Then go over to Pinterest and add the item link on your description. After that, you can add the link on the link section as well. Putting it on both the description and the link section gives you an edge. So go ahead and paste it on the link section. Now, go to Board and add the item to an existing board. But if you don't have one, click on Create Board. Name the board and select Create. And as you can see, the backboard has been created. Now, you can add tag topics over here. So now, type in relevant tags like bag and bag accessories and select from the options. This way, you can search for and add multiple different tags, which will make it easier for potential customers to find your product. Now, you can go to more options on the bottom. Here, you can allow people to comment and show similar products. Once done, click on Publish on the top right corner. So as you can see, our product has now been published on Pinterest. Now, if people searches for your product or similar tags on Pinterest, they will be able to view your item from the results page over here. You can also add more tags to your product before publishing. That way, it will be easier to find. Now, let's go back to Temu. On this page, you can also go over to the top panel again and search for different categories of products. Make sure to do a little bit of market research before selecting a category. If you go over to cell phones, you will get to see a lot of products that are cell phone accessories. So here, choose one that seems interesting. Then, check out the product details and also the price and the discount being offered. You can also go back to the main page, and here, you can see the max commission for this product as well. This way, check out different commission rates for different products, and you will notice that more expensive products has higher commission rates, but they're harder to sell. So keep that in mind while looking for products to sell. So after selecting your next product, you can scroll through the page and look for the details and description of this product as well. If you scroll down, you will find more images and videos for this particular product. This way, you can source more images for your product to showcase on Pinterest or any other platform where you're sharing your affiliate link. Since we're using Pinterest for this video, let's go over to Pinterest and click on Create on the left panel, and the same way, drag the image over here. Then, head over to Temu again and retrieve the information for the product. Following these steps, you can easily earn from Temu affiliate program.